Hello everyone, my name is Harshit Bhutra and you're watching Digital Sun City. On this channel, I make videos related to WordPress and digital marketing. So if you want to learn more of WordPress and digital marketing, then you can press the subscribe button below. That way, you'll be notified as soon as I publish a new video. So now, let's get started with this video. Do you want to highlight registered users randomly on your website? In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to randomly display registered users in WordPress. So now let's get started with this video. Now moving to your WordPress dashboard, hover onto Appearance and then click on Theme Editor. On the right hand side of your screen, click on Theme Functions. Now here we have to add a small piece of code, but before entering this code, I'll suggest you to make a recent backup of your website so that just in case anything goes wrong, you can always recover it later. So now copy the code. You can also find this code in the description of our video. So copy the code and then paste it at the end of this file. Now this code is used to query databases for users and make a random list of registered users, and then it will link it to the website. Now before updating, copy the keyword random users as this will be used later. Now click on Update File option. You'll see that the file has been successfully updated. Now the thing is that the list needs to be displayed for registered users. So in order to add that, let's go to Widgets under Appearance. Now here you can see a list of various widgets. We have to search for text widget. So drag and drop the text widget on the sidebar as per your position which you want. Now in the title box, mention users. Now in the description box, you have to enter the shortcode which you copied earlier. So in square brackets, enter the shortcode random users. Now after that, click on the save button. And now you can go to your website to check if it's actually working or not. So let's move to our website. And now as you can see that the list of random users is being displayed here. So this is how you can display users which are added randomly to this list.
I hope you like this video. It takes me a lot of efforts to create free videos like these for all of you people. So please consider to subscribe. And if you have any questions or suggestions, then you can directly go to our website digitalsuncity.com/help and then fill in the contact form with your question. I'll reply to that as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video. Hey, before you quit, I have an amazing offer for you. I am giving away free access to all of my digital resources to all of my viewers.
These digital resources can be divided in two types. The first thing is layouts. This includes hundreds of templates for Divi, Elementor, Visual Composer and a lot of royalty-free graphics which you can use on any website. Now the second thing is premium WordPress video tutorials. In the coming weeks, I am creating video courses for all the major WordPress themes and plugins. This will include video tutorials for WordPress, Divi, Astra, Elementor, Visual Composer and a lot more. So as you can see, I've already started working on them. Now to get all of these premium digital resources, you have to go to my website digitalsuncity.com/VIP and put in your email address. And then you'll receive an email which will contain all of these things. That's it. So go to the link in the description right now and claim all of these resources instantly. I am waiting for you to get my digital resources for free.